Maybe I'll play with you for a bit. If you want to question me, first you'll have to survive.
Here I come! Orochimaru!
Naruto, calm down. Concentrate on the enemy in front of you.
Fool! Defy Lord Orochimaru, will you?
Looks as if a few of the enemy are performing summoning jutsu.
Just have to take them down!
You people are so stubborn. Why don't you just give up?
Sasuke is our friend. You really think we'd just give up like that?
One can always hope.
Sasuke's growing stronger. Are you?
Show yourself, Orochimaru!
Terribly sorry, Lord Orochimaru.
Howl all you like. It won't get you Sasuke back.
Shut up! What do you know about it?
I think we should show them something new. Don't you, Kabuto?
Everything's ready, Lord Orochimaru.
This is getting tougher. Don't drop your guard.
Naruto, let's split up and take him out.
Here I come! Right! Shadow Bomb Jutsu!
Terribly sorry, Lord Orochimaru.
Overwhelming. This is unbelievable.
I'm gonna get Sasuke back! Bet on it!
Show me the power of the nine-tailed fox.
Here I come!
Naruto, don't push it. Not when you're on your own.
I'm gonna get Sasuke back! Bet on it!
Now, show me the power of the nine-tailed fox.
I'm gonna get Sasuke back! Bet on it!
Now, show me the power of the nine-tailed fox.
Come on, Orochimaru! Here I come!
Naruto, don't push it. Not when you're on your own.
Let me see just how much you've grown.
Naruto, don't push it. Not when you're on your own.
Here I come!
Naruto, don't push it! Not when you're on your own!
Let me see just how much you've grown.
Overwhelming. This is unbelievable.
I'm gonna get Sasuke back!
Now, show me the power of the nine-tailed fox.
Here I come! I'm gonna get Sasuke back! Come on, Orochimaru! Here I come!
Now, show me the power of the nine-tailed fox.
Naruto, don't push it! Not when you're on your own!
Here I come! Come on, Orochimaru! Here I come!
Let me see just how much you've grown.
Overwhelming. This is unbelievable.
Here I come! Come on, Orochimaru!
Show me the power of the nine-tailed fox.
Here I come!
Naruto, don't push it! Not when you're on your own!
I'm terribly sorry, Lord Orochimaru.
Good. That's the last of them.
Here I come!
Overwhelming. This is unbelievable. Naruto, Sakura's in trouble. Go help her, hurry!
Got it! I'm
Sorry, Naruto.
Let's hurry up and finish these.
Naruto.
It's nice to value your friends. Just don't get carried away.
Quit jabbering and show yourself!
You're letting your emotions control you. You're a failure as a ninja.
Here I come!
Show me the power of the nine-tailed fox.
As your leader, I can't allow that.
Captain Yamato.
Naruto, get Sakura to safety. In her current state, it'd be dangerous to let Sakura...
Naruto.
You think I'd let you escape?
If we defeat Orochimaru, Sasuke will come back, won't he?
Yeah, sure he will!
Let me see just how much you've grown.
I'm gonna get Sasuke back! Bet on it!
Now, show me the power of the nine-tailed fox.
Come on, Orochimaru!
Let me see just how much you've grown.
Here I come! I'm gonna get Sasuke back! Bet on it!
Naruto, I'm sorry. Take care of the rest for me.
Don't worry. I will.
That's enough playtime, I think. Now,
Orochimaru, I'm gonna take you down!